Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. We're on Eastern Time, and let's get started. Monday at 4 a.m., no trade room, but we'll be watching the German IFO business report. Our first trade room of the week is Tuesday at 6:30. In the morning for McDonald's earnings. We'll be back in the trade room at 9:30 for CB Consumer Confidence, new home sales and Richmond manufacturing, and then back again at 3:30 p.m. for Microsoft earnings and the API crude oil report, and then once again at 9:15 for Australia CPI, a family money trade. Wednesday morning we'll start at 7:15 for Boeing's earnings. We'll be back at 8 o'clock for core durable goods, and then back again at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories. We'll be watching the 5-year note auction, and then at 3:30 p.m. back in the room for Facebook Meta's earnings. That will actually be in the GoToWebinar special earnings trade room. Thursday, 8 a.m., we'll be back in our normal trade room for advanced GDP and Thursday unemployment claims, pending home sales at 9:45, and natural gas in the same trade room. Back for a family money trade at 12:30 p.m. for the 7-year note auction. And then at 3:30 p.m. we'll be in our GoToWebinar special earnings room, 3:30 p.m. on Thursday. Friday, 3 a.m., make sure you watch that Spanish flash CPI. I would consider trading that with the Euro 6E futures, the bracket of 8, and a stop of 15. I think you'll have a good little trade. We'll be in the trade room Friday, 8 a.m. for the PCE personal income spending report. German CPI may be released at the same time. We'll be looking to trade that, as well as Canada GDP, quite a collection of reports, 8 a.m. Friday morning. And we'll finish out the week, 9:30 a.m. with the revised University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report. So try to make your way into the trade room. Don't forget, you can still sign up for the earnings, www.crushearnings.com, www.crushearnings.com. Still weeks and weeks of earnings coming up, and this upcoming week is major FANG stocks. Thanks for listening and watching the WMM Weekly Market Movers video preview. It's Leigh Goldstein, and I'll see you in the trade room.